Are you a beginner in data analytics and struggling to keep up with the latest tools and technologies? Don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll be taking a look at 10 data analytics tools that are perfect for beginners. These tools will help you get started with data analytics, even if you have no prior experience. Let's dive in. First up, we have Tableau. Tableau is a powerful data visualization tool that allows you to create interactive and engaging visualizations with ease. It has a user-friendly interface and a wide range of customization options, making it perfect for beginners. Next up, we have Python for Data Analysis by Wes McKinney. This book is a must-read for anyone looking to get started with data analysis using Python. It covers everything from data cleaning to data visualization and is a great resource for beginners. Moving on, we have Power BI. Power BI is a business analytics tool that allows you to create powerful and interactive visualizations, reports, and dashboards. It's easy to use and integrates seamlessly with other Microsoft products. Another great tool for beginners is SQL. SQL is a programming language used to manage and manipulate relational databases. It's an essential skill for data analysts and can be learned relatively quickly. Up next, we have Google Analytics. Google Analytics is a web analytics service offered by Google that tracks and reports website traffic. It's a powerful tool for analyzing user behavior and can be used to make informed decisions about website design and content. Another great resource for beginners is the Datacamp app. The app offers interactive courses in data science, machine learning, and more. It's a great way to learn new skills on the go. Next on the list is RStudio. RStudio is an integrated development environment for the R programming language. It's a powerful tool for statistical analysis and data visualization. Another great tool for beginners is Excel. Excel is a spreadsheet program that can be used for data analysis and visualization. It's a versatile tool that's widely used in business and can be learned quickly. Next up, we have Jupyter Notebook. Jupyter Notebook is an open-source web application that allows you to create and share documents that contain live code, equations, visualizations, and narrative text. It's a great tool for data exploration and analysis. Last but not least, we have the Khan Academy. The Khan Academy offers free online courses in a variety of subjects, including data analytics. Their data analytics courses cover everything from basic statistics to data visualization and are perfect for beginners who want to learn at their own pace. And there you have it, 10 data analytics tools for beginners. Whether you're just starting out or looking to expand your skills, these tools are sure to help you on your data analytics journey. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more great content.